Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to buy a water heater. I'm in front of the shop where they sell all kind of appliances and other things. I just checked the store in the Google Map, so I hope they have the water heater. Yeah, the place looks awesome. It's near the metro station, Jungli. So nice. Yeah. So let's go inside and check. They have it. Yeah. This is the second floor. There's so many things here. Oh yeah, what's that? Really? Vacuum cleaner? How much is it? How much is it?
Say vacuum.
How much is it?
Two.
Oh my god.
They're 1790.
Gloves.
Yeah, they like it.
Hmm?
These are my imperfection.
Oh, what is that? What? Slippers here. Two. Oh, what is the price of slippers? Huh? What's the price? Slippers. 139 only. That's cheap. The one I bought, it is around 200, right? In the night market. They also have shoes here. 3 pairs.
3 pairs.
79.
Yeah.
Cheap.
Not bad.
Hmm?
Stocking.
Oh my god. Look at the Japanese hat. Chinese hat. Look at the hats. I don't know if this is Japanese hat or Chinese hat. What do you think?
It's Japanese.
Why?
It's farmer. The farmer using that to protect their head from the heat.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Something here too. What's that?
Oh, so your head can breathe?
Wow. How to put it back?
The way you take it off.
Okay. Oh, cool. So I can just take it up little bit, you know?
Yeah, if you want to breathe your head.
I can put some air, airflow.
Yeah.
It's cool.
How much is it? Show me the price.
You can just put some air. The air will go inside.
Huh?
And just wear it like that. Oh wow, so nice.
It suits you.
Yeah, it suit me.
You look like a farmer.
Let's try this one.
I think it's the same. Yeah, the same. This one. Try this.
This one is much better, you know. It fits in my head nicely.
Really?
Yeah. Which one?
This one. You try this. This. Yeah.
Wow!
It's
my
modern.
favorite.
Yeah. It's
Look at
modern
this.
style.
Yeah.
Wow, you look like a cowboy. Where's your horse?
So nice.
And this one? Try this.
I'll try this.
Try everything.
Whoa, what is this? Look at this. It's like a pot.
Oh.
It's only 150 NTD.
Show me.
150 NTD.
Oh, 150.
Oh, you can also make it.
Yeah, tight.
Ah.
Konnichiwa.
What?
How do you say it in Japanese? Wow, cool. You look like you have already umbrella to protect in the rain.
Ah, yeah. So nice. Like this.
You want the army one? The army. This. Wow.
It's common. I have tried. You know. Anything else? Oh wow! Kid King.
找到您要的商品，请告诉我们的服务人员，我们将以最亲切、快速的服务宗旨为您一一寻找。除此之外，如遇商品退换货，请在5天内携带商品
How do I look?
包装及购买方案
Wow, you look like a rapper.
Oh my god.
换货服务，
Wow, it suits you.
Really?
如饮料、泡面、
With
饼
me?
干、
Yeah.
I don't like.
You look young.
个人
You try in the back. No, wear it again in the back side.
用品，请确认
Backside.
用的尺寸，因食品安全及个人卫生安全考量。
Making fun of me?
No, I'm serious. Yeah, like that.
谢谢您的配合，到整不
Remove
便
the tag.
请见谅。
See?
如果您购买的商品过多，还是大件物品，我们都有包装。购买方法前往
This pig cost 2,500? Huh? What is this pig? This is the water heater. We'll buy this one. What the prices? This one looks nice. 1,000. 1,080. What is this? Let's check this one.
Tell two?
I don't know.
It's cheaper.
No, it's what is the thing. I keep thinking. Let's buy this one. Go. Let's buy this one. It's 1.8 liters and 799. Hmm?
Cheaper.
How much is it?
699.
800 milliliters.
Yeah, you don't need to be too big, right? Just for drinking.
How much is it? 799? Just was 100. But I can get so much water here. 1.8 liters. Let's go with this.
Okay.
You check the watts. Should be 110.
Yeah.
So it will works to your partner.
Check it.
Yeah, it's 110
What is 110?
volts.
No, I want if it is just 2 or 3.
Ah.
Check it.
个人卫生安全